Struggling with meeting SQF validation requirements in your facility? Falling short could result in costly setbacks. Watch on to master the art of SQF validation and keep your operation seamless and compliant. My name is Felicia Loo, and I am a registered SQF consultant helping businesses with their SQF program compliance. Today, we're diving into the crucial of SQF validation requirements, what they are, when they apply, and to ensure your processes meet these exacting standards. Firstly, what is validation? Example for validation involves providing evidence that your food safety plans and controls effectively achieve their intended purpose. It's about proving that your processes are scientifically and technically sound to mitigate identified risks. But when do these requirements apply to you? Validation is essential whenever a new food safety control is introduced or when changes are made to existing processes that could impact product safety. It applies to new product lines, changes in ingredients, equipment, or procedures, and periodically as part of your continuous improvement efforts. Now that you understand what and when, let's talk about what you should look for in the validation process. Your validation efforts should include comprehensive scientific research, testing, and trials demonstrating that your control measures are effective. This evidence could take the form of peer-reviewed studies, documented trials, or historical data relevant to your operations. An often overlooked aspect of validation is ensuring proper documentation. Every piece of data should be meticulously recorded to establish a clear, traceable trail that supports your food safety claims. Feeling overwhelmed by the complexity of SQF validation requirements? Collaborating with an experienced SQF consultant like myself can transform daunting tasks into achievable milestones. A registered SQF consultant can provide personalized strategies, audits, and insights, preventing costly mistakes and ensuring seamless compliance. Let our team assist you in mastering SQF validations. Book a strategy call with us at 123-651-32488 to take the next step toward impeccable food safety management. Stay updated by subscribing for more expert advice on food safety and SQF standards. And don't hesitate to leave your questions in the comments below.